Family Courts Act XXXV of 1964-5, Sched Civil Procedure Code V of 1908, OI, R. 10 Suit for recovery of maintenance allowance execution petition impleadment of party father being unable to pay maintenance allowance seeking impleadment of Bait-ul-Maal for payment of maintenance to the minor's scope father being unable to pay maintenance allowance sought impleadment of Bait-ul-Maal for payment of his same to his minor son's validity if father was not able to pay maintenance allowance to his minor sons then relevant organ or authority of the state including Bait-ul-Maal and local government would be liable to pay maintenance to the minor's petition for impleadment of director and district officer Bait-ul-Maal as parties was allowed in circumstances. Peld 1989 Car. 404. 1998 Mold 1972. Peld 1976 Law. 930. Peld 1991. SC 543. 1994 Kelsey 444. 2004 Euler 616, and 2005 Scummer 1293, Ref. Peld 2012 Law. 445, Rel. Sikandar Ali Shar for Petitioner Rukshanda Wahid, State Counsel, Date of Hearing, February 19, 2018. Umar Daraz vs. Family Judge 2018 CLC 1786 Sin. Before Mrs. Kausar Sultana Hussain, J. Umar Daraz Petitioner vs. Family Judge, and 3 others respondents C.PS Nos. S-79 and S-280 of 2018, decided on March 26, 2018.